Hey everybody, it's John Brodeen. I'm a full-time realtor in Grand Forks with Berkshire Hathaway. Today I'm going to be showing you what $400,000 in Grand Forks, North Dakota buys. Start out by giving you a little tour of the neighborhood. Here's the subject property at 3795 Haley Drive. Most of this neighborhood was developed around 2004. Prices in this neighborhood range from the high 200s to the low 400s. So in this development, this house is a little on the larger end and a little on the higher end price-wise. It's in a desirable south end location. It's close to parks, shopping, and I'll take us back to the satellite view in just a second. So here's our subject property. You're close to, we'll start off with shopping. You've got Walmart and Sam's Club really close by. You have Kohl's, Hobby Lobby, Target, Lowe's. It's definitely the most conveniently located when you're talking about shopping that you're going to be doing on a regular basis. You're close to Discovery Elementary School here, as well as South Middle School. And you do actually have a little park that's right down the street from you with a playground and big fields and everything. You're close to Choice Fitness, the All True South Campus, and the Icon Sports Center, as well as Kings Walk Golf Course right here. This is located, it's pretty far on the south end of town, still being close to shopping. This is definitely, the south end of town is the most desirable. Homes in this neighborhood on Haley, Mulberry, and Brookshire all sell pretty quickly in Grand Forks. So as we go into the interior, I'm going to share a few details about the sale first, and then as well as a few details about the house. So this home originally listed on September 10th of 2021 for $389,250. It went under contract almost immediately, passed inspection on September 23rd, and then it closed on October 20th, which is about the quickest that you can possibly close on a home using a mortgage, which is about 40 days. It sold for $400,000, so it sold over the asking price of $389,000. Now a little bit about the house. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3,302 square foot ranch style home. It's got an attached 2-stall garage. It also has a 10 by 12 shed out in the back. Nice newer appliances, main floor laundry, built in 2004. 1,651 square feet above ground, 1,651 square feet below ground. And the garage is also heated, I should mention that. The lot square footage is 8,636 square feet, so that's 68 by 127. And then I'll talk a little bit about the taxes too on the house. So it only has $1,277 in unpaid specials. That's going to be paid off in a couple years, so your tax bill will drop by about almost $500 in a couple years. Currently the tax bill is $53.94 a year. So there you have it. That's what you can expect to buy in Grand Forks for right around $400,000. If you are thinking about making a move to Grand Forks, within Grand Forks, or moving out of Grand Forks, just give me a call. I'd love to work with you. Thanks again for watching. This is John Brodeen with Berkshire Hathaway.